God, this shit is just coming off in sheets. This is what happens when you do a cream liner and you don't etch the tank. It's like fucking old wallpaper. Well, cleanup's easy. Not that I have to soda blast this off. Y'all never see the inside of a tank very often, do you? Sorry about the weird angles. I'm sitting on a rolly chair. This is almost as much fun as peeling a sunburn. Now these two aren't bubbles. Those are dents from someone's nuts. No joke. That's how I bought it. Yeah, so the whole idea with this splitting the tank in half started with I didn't want a pinch weld, and also I wanted to remove all this old shitty liner from the inside of the tank and properly clean this tank. Fucking nasty. Now this side, look at all this excess that was right here. Look how thick it is. Look how thick it is. It's like fucking beef jerky. Or fucking fruit leathers. Or fruit roll-ups, or whatever the fuck you call them. Got a petcock template for sale if anybody wants it. It's only thick on that one side. Whoever did this needs to get kicked in the teeth. Whoever did this needs to never do it again. They failed this class. Well, anyway. Otherwise, this tank is pretty good shape. I just gotta get those two dents out. Figure leather hammer, some heat, fucking liquid propellant, cool it off, condense it, smack it, come right out. We'll see. I felt like this would be better finish on the outside if I just push it out instead of pull it out. This fucking crap. It's disgusting. And this is the reason why I started this rebuild. Shit was flaking off and coating my petcock filter so much I thought I was having fuel starvation issues, and I actually was. Cause all this crap, look at this, it's everywhere. Get out of here. Disgusting. And there was a roach in there?